It's Margo from WetheadPumpRepair.com. Alright, so we're here with this Hayward Northstar giant pump. You can see I'm like, hey, over here. I'm here with my boy Robert. What's up, man?
Not much.
How you doing? Alright, so today in this video, it's a little bit lengthy, right? Sometimes we make short videos, sometimes we make long videos. But in this video today, we're going to show you how to remove the motor from the wet end and how to change the seal and how to remove it and put it back in. Right? Simple enough. Alright, so here we go. If you have a Hayward Northstar, you know it has a little handle just like this on it. You want to push this down, right, counterclockwise. That will loosen the band and slide this back a little. Alright, you may have to pry this little band out a little bit. We have already pre-pried it. So Robert, pull out that motor, man. Alright, so Robert is going to pull out this motor. Go ahead, bro. Alright, there you go, man. You got it. Go ahead. It's a little heavy, so this is a 3 horsepower model. There you go. You want to turn this band a little. You want to turn this band, there you go. Up. There you go. Put this back, there you go. Down a little bit. There you go. Alright, so Robert's almost got it out here, you can see. Let that side down there. It's a little tricky, especially in the heavier models. You can see Robert struggling here a little to get out. Alright, turn that man. There you go. So you got to twist it. There you go, just like that. We'll take the wet end now, and we're going to move this off to the side. We'll put it back over here. Alright, so I want to make sure I didn't collapse the set when I put that down there. Alright, so sit down. Alright, so now that you got the wet end off, you basically have the diffuser and then your impeller. And here, see, there's your impeller. Just like that. Alright, so go ahead and put that in the vise, man. We'll do this together, grab the back, you got it. Now this is a 3 horsepower model, so it's a little heavy. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the vise. Now what we're going to do now... Alright, we got this down. Now the back of the motor here is a little square part of the shaft. Now you might have to remove your capacitor. Go ahead and remove that capacitor, bro. You might have to remove this capacitor, as you can see, is the back right there. And once you move the capacitor, you'll be able to see on the back of the shaft a little square part where you could grab it with a pair of channel locks or an open wrench. And then once you grab that square part, you'll be able to loosen the impeller off right here. Okay, so go ahead. You got that?
Yep.
Right, so Robert's going to use a pair of channel locks, and he's going to grab the square pad of the shaft. You got that, man?
Yep.
Alright, so once he does that, now we're just going to spin the impeller counterclockwise. Alright, just like that. You see that? That's your impeller, just there. And then what you can do is you can pull your shaft seal off, which is right in the center of the pump here. Okay, you can let go, man. Alright, so you just pull your shaft seal. Oh yeah, grab that one more time. You want to pull your shaft seal off. Okay, I'm going to pull it off here. You're just going to twist it. You want to twist it a little bit. Okay, just like that. So you want to, we sell these seals right there on WetheadPumpRepair.com. So you just twist that one part of the seal off. Now, you have a second part of the seal. Okay, once you remove that first part of the seal, this is called the seal plate. Okay, you see that white part in there? That pops out. So you take this down, you put this on the workbench. Just like that. Like a flathead screwdriver. And bam, just like that, you pop that one section out there, the other section out right there. There's a 2-part of your seal. Now, you say, okay, Joseph, that's part 1. How do I put it back together? Right? Okay, well, here's your motor sitting right here. Here's your shaft. So obviously, you have your new seal. Let's say this is your new seal here. You would take some silicone. You would wipe it around here just like that. And then you would just take it and insert it right in this little hole. Just like that, a little bit. And then you can use something called a seal tool like we use, or something just plastic like this. And you want to press right in the white face, just like that, nice and firmly. Push down one shot, just like that. A little of silicone around those edges. That's mounted in there. And then you could lock this in. You can see there's a little tab here, square tab, and a square tab hole. So you would lock this in, okay? You would lock this in here, and then what you would do is take that, and then you would have your seal. You want to have the black face the shaft, just like that, and then your impeller would spin on just like this, just like that. So we'll do it one more time, just to show you. Impeller comes off, there's your impeller. You have the mechanical part of the seal, which has a spring. Okay, then your seal assembly comes off like that. Your white piece pops out. Oops, missed. Just like that. Okay, so we'll put this O-ring on the side. Okay, here's our seal right here. Just like that. Alright, so put it back in again. Place it right in the center. Use the seal tool. Push it in. Line it up like so. Take one part of your seal, put it on. Take your impeller, tighten it up. Alright, so this is Joe Tomorrow from WetheadPumpRepair.com. If you need a seal for the Hayward Northstar, you can go to WetheadPumpRepair.com and you can find one. If you need any help, just hit the contact form, ask questions, or call the phone number on the website. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Peace.